Hello, welcome. In today's video we will learn how to play Baby Shark. That song has been everywhere, so this one goes out to any parents or children or people like me that want to learn that song for no reason. Okay, let's get started. This song will not sound good if you are not tuned, so make sure that your ukulele is tuned. I'm using the new Cherub tuner, so I'll link it down below. It's pretty cool and sleek. I like it. Okay, let's get started. We are playing the Baby Shark song with my Flight Shark Pineapple ukulele. I will give you several options to play this song, but if you want to change the chords, I can teach you how to do that right here. Check that video out after this one. Okay, so the easiest way to play this is to play C. We're going to use the ring finger on the 3rd fret. Then we're going to switch to F. Keep those fingers curved. Use the fingertips. Don't touch the other strings next to those. Use the thumb on the back to squeeze that so you get a nice ringing tone. Then go to A minor by lifting the index finger. Now look up real quick. Look up. Pretend your hand is a door hinge. You're going to open it to make room for G. Please don't stay down here as that won't give you enough room. So door hinge, pivot, and you've got all your chords. So let me play it for you real quick and then I'll break it down. So when you say the word baby is when you do the down up. Dun, 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 baby, dun, 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 baby, baby shark, and stop on the word shark. Shark. And you can strum downwards to do the next person or shark or whatever, like daddy shark, daddy shark, down up, shark, down, down, down up, and stop. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, stop. Down, 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 okay, so now let's try the more advanced pattern. This one is for a more intermediate to advanced player. Let me play it a little bit fast. Basically what's happening on that pattern is I'm saying shark, do, 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 do. Every like do and the word shark get a strum. Baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 baby shark. This one's too difficult. You can do the down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. The more advanced one, baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, da, 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 da. Now let's change the key. That key is a little low for my voice, so I would be more comfortable singing with these chords. G, C, E minor, and D. And by the way, each chord only has 4 beats, so if what you can do is down strums, baby shark, da, 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 baby shark, da, 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 that's okay, because you can still entertain an audience with that one. Usually when people are singing it, it's more about the hand signals than it is about the strumming behind it, right? Another version would be to use A, D, F sharp, minor, and you can use E. So this is more advanced. So that one would go like this. that works for either your voice or your hands. And then when you perform it or play it with people, start slow and speed it up just to get people excited about the shark. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 baby shark. Mama shark, do, 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 mama shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 mama shark. Daddy shark, do, 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 daddy shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 daddy shark. Grandma shark, do, 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 grandma shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do, 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 grandma shark, do, 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 shark, do, 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 grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do, 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 grandma shark, do, 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 Alrighty, practice this song, annoy all your friends, or make your children happy. Let me know what you end up doing with it. I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!